for Hunter Hall, everybody. Justin Francoeur on guitar, taking that beautiful solo.